I was finding my key. Hey, welcome.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
And happy birthday, do you also say that?
Birthday?
Happy birthday?
No. I
No?
always said Happy New Year.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Because in Korea you had birthday in the first.
Oh, no.
No?
No. Birthday?
Yeah, like you get 1 year older.
Ah, yeah, right.
Yeah.
Yeah, no way, yeah. Happy birthday, yeah, it's right. Thank you. Hey.
Hi.
Is this a little bit awkward?
No, it's
It's
okay.
fine?
It's fine, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
do you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You didn't? You didn't subscribe me yet?
I didn't know it.
Oh, really?
No.
Oh, I already posted in my Instagram.
Ah, nice.
Yeah, I think it was Korean, so
Mhm.
yeah, you didn't.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's why you don't know.
I have
Mhm.
2 things. Like this is yogurt, like
Great.
vegan yogurt,
Mhm.
and I have orange. So we could cut
Nice.
them and make them with the
Ah.
yogurt.
Nice.
Yeah. You
Hmm?
can see the sea.
Yeah, I can see the ocean in my room.
Nice.
You wanna see?
Yeah, of course.
Yay. Okay.
Nice. That's so awesome here. Like seriously.
Yeah.
Because in my room I only see like in the window of the other
Mm-hmm.
flat.
Oh.
Yeah. The sunset's over there.
Yeah.
Nice.
Are you hungry?
Yeah, I'm so hungry.
Yeah. Let's prepare.
I didn't eat so far.
Ah, me neither.
Mm-hmm.
Orange here. This is Korean red chili paste.
Uh-huh.
This is really traditional one. We're gonna make sauce with this.
Did you buy it here?
No, I brought from
Oh,
Korea. Yeah.
Nice.
Look, here's
Yeah,
Korean.
okay, yeah. But there are also like different shops, for example, from, I don't know, Arabic states or
Mhm.
maybe from Asiatic states.
Ah, here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So-
We can get it from the Lotus, the
Okay, I don't know.
Chinese supermarket
Mm-hmm.
near here.
Uh-huh,
Yeah.
cool. Is it gonna be like really spicy or like okay
Do you
spicy?
wanna taste it?
No, it's fine. It's gonna be surprised.
Okay.
I love spicy food. Seriously.
Ah, really?
Yeah, I really love it, but I don't know like how spicy you eat. Then I could prepare like the fruit.
Or you put some rice from here,
Uh-huh.
as much as you want. You push here.
Ah, okay. How does this machine make rice? Seriously. Like
That's like automatic
you put
machine.
some water in it.
Yeah, water and rice, and then you just put on the switch.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
How do you like traditionally eat? Like, if you're a guest, do you leave the stuff like?
Mhm.
Do you make it empty, or do you leave some rest of the food on the dishes?
Empty?
Yeah. Like, do you eat all your plate, everything you have on your plate?
It depends on the day, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because like in stereotype which have
Uh-huh.
like European people, for example, for Korean people,
Uh-huh.
it's like they don't eat everything, so they don't want to come over as they were like greedy.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't think it's very dependent.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Because in Germany you eat everything, because if you don't eat everything, then it would be like, okay, it didn't taste. So you
Really?
didn't- yeah. So you didn't eat anything.
So we have also like traditionally we have one stereotype like when you left like one bite
Mhm.
on your plate, it means that your happiness will gone.
Yeah.
Yeah, like this. So
Uh-huh,
when I
nice.
was young, my mother said if I left just one bite in my plate, and then
Yeah.
she said, "Oh, you will be unhappy."
Oh, yeah.
You should eat every day like this.
But that's nice, because you don't waste any food. Okay, que aproveches.
Que aproveche. Buen aproveche. Sí.
Buen provecho
Buen provecho.
o que aproveches.
Que aproveches.
See, it's like I hope that
Mhm.
you get some
Yeah.
power from it.
Power.
Yeah. Nice. And you put like the sauce on the rice.
Yeah, like this. Not enough, maybe.
Yeah, it's fine. I don't, I don't know if I can like, take it. I don't want to die later. It's spicy.
Okay. You mix all of this
Ah.
by using this spoon.
That's nice. I love it so much. You also have mushrooms in there.
Mm-hmm.
So nice. I don't know, and the walls are white and not beautiful, and the tables are like almost not usable and that stuff.
I've never been there.
You could come with me if you want to.
Yeah, of course. I have to study actually. Let's go to study together.
Yeah.
After this. Yeah, great.
I'm also done, I guess. Que aproveches. I said it already.
It's spicy?
It's so nice.
Really?
And spicy, but it's so nice.
Really? Yeah.
But then it's so spicy.
Mm-hmm.
Like it burns my tongue.
So I thought like you don't want spicy sauce. I was going to make not spicy sauce like with soy sauce. Yeah, but you said
Yeah,
you
I like spicy things. You actually eat them slower, which is better for your stomach.
I can feel Korea here.
Yeah? It's so nice.
Bibimbap is really traditional food, so every traveler to Korea, they recommended to eat this. Yeah.
Yeah, it's actually so nice.
Okay.
I
Your
love it.
face getting red.
No, I seriously like it. Yeah, I'm happy.
Nice.
That's why I had to laugh
Thank
right
you.
now. Like, yeah, it's so nice. I have to thank you.
So how are these days? How are these days?
Like going or? It's okay. Like I had my best friend from Germany came to visit me. Look in his jacket.
Oh, really?
I took my phone.
Oh,
out of his
really?
jacket. Yeah.
You grab him? Like
Yeah. No, I just was like, hey, you have my phone. And he said no, and then I like grabbed into his jacket.
oh my god.
And he didn't want to give it to me. Then I really had to push it. I was like, yeah, of course you have my phone. That's my background picture. It was like crazy, yeah.
Yeah, it was crazy.
And then 2 nights after that, Vanessa's phone was away.
Oh my god.
I wanted, if you have time, I wanted to celebrate from the 15th to the 16th. It would be nice to if you could come over.
Yeah, of course.
It'd be so awesome.
Crazy night.
How are your days?
Me? Nothing special. Actually, I'm a little bit sad because I don't have much time to be here. So yeah.
I see.
These days I have many thoughts about my future, the life in Korea after I'm going back.
But do you miss like Korea or do you like it here?
I don't know. I think I'm not the Miss Miss Korea. But I miss Korean food. Spicy food.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
I think you should stay here.
Really?
Like I miss Germany a lot, and I know that I don't want to stay longer. But if you're like, I don't know, I don't miss Korea, and I don't know if I want to stay here. Then for me it's like, okay, if you go to Korea, go back to Korea, you would regret it, you know.
But I have to go back to Korea because of my visa. Anyway.
Nice food, seriously.
Thank you for eating everything.
I have to thank you for cooking so well. The next time I'm gonna cook something, I don't know, German maybe? I have to think about German vegan food because there is actually none.
Okay. Looks nice.
Yeah?
Orange and yogurt is perfect. Because yogurt is always right. Right?
And it's without milk, that's like the best for me.
Nice.
Is it okay?
Yeah, of course. Nice.
Oh yeah. It's soya yogurt.
This is?
So I think it kind of tastes like soya, maybe?
Yeah, it is something different. Actually, I wanted to cook for you like Korean vegan food because our Korean party, we were stuck to like because we didn't know we are vegetarian. So
yeah, I didn't tell you.
So because we didn't ask you, so we are really sorry for that. So yeah.
You didn't have to because like I don't mind, you know.
Really?
Yeah, because you didn't do it with purpose. And if I would have if I told you, then you would have like cooked something vegan or vegetarian. I know, sure, that's for sure.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's okay. Like there is a stereotype of vegan people, like I don't know, which hate like people who eat meat and try to convince them because of how it's working right now in the world and with the animals. And I'm like, not that way. I'm like, if you want people to eat vegan, then just let them have their thought by themselves and not try to convince them. And it's like, you know, so I don't like actually talking a lot about me being vegan and stuff because I don't want to convince somebody to do anything, you know. Yeah, but I don't want to follow this mainstream of being a vegan and the stereotype. I'm just not like that. I'm just a normal guy like you and like I don't know, like somebody else who's vegetarian. I don't know.
I mean, they don't have right to change people.
That's the point.
Yeah.
Das war so geil. Seriously, it was so nice. Daryl was here, yeah? Very nice too. Yeah, she is.
Actually, what you said to me, it was really touching.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I didn't get it. Like, was it just right now? Yeah?
Like,
okay.
Korean people were so nice. Every time you prove it, every time you said like that.
Nice.
I can remember all of this because I was editing this, so I watched it several times. I can remember.
So cute. But I think I was starting to get drunk at the time.
From here?
Yeah, I think so, but I'm not sure. Nice.
Yeah, this song.
Ah, nice.
Yeah.
But after it is glazed.
Yeah, I have to make next episode. So.
Yeah, but did you like film everything?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, everything.
After that, I can't remember anything.
Really? I just filmed the game.
Ah, yeah, okay,
Yeah.
that I can remember. But like
Not
like,
after that.
not that much, but like a little bit. Okay, let's clean it.
Yeah.